Welcome back to the Windows Club. Is your Windows laptop fan running and making sound constantly even when you are not doing anything? A loud or constantly running fan is usually a sign that your laptop is working harder than it should. In this video, I will show you the most effective solutions from simple Windows settings to basic maintenance that can help bring your laptop fan back to normal. Let's get started. Stop unnecessary background apps. One of the most common reasons for a constantly running fan is unnecessary background activity. Here is how you can stop them. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Under the Processes tab, look for apps using high CPU or memory and close the apps from running in the background. Next, switch to the Startup tabs and disable programs that don't need to launch every time Windows starts. You can also open Settings, then Apps, click Installed Apps, click the three dots menu next to the app. Choose Advanced Options. Under Background App Permission, select Power, Optimized or Never. Change the power mode. If your laptop is set to best performance, it's designed to prioritize speed over temperature and battery life. Open Settings, go to System, then Power and Battery. Under Power mode, change both plugged in and on battery modes to balanced or best power efficiency. The simple adjustments can significantly reduce heat generation and fan noise. Reduce maximum processor state and system cooling policy. If the fan is still running loudly, you can limit how aggressively the processor operates. Open Control Panel, select Power Options, click Change Plan Settings followed by Change Advanced Power Settings. Expand Processor Power Management. Set maximum processor state to 99% or even 90% for both on battery and plugged in. While you are here, expand System Cooling Policy and change it from active to passive. Click OK, restart your laptop and check whether the fan behaves normally. These settings reduce heat by slightly limiting CPU performance before increasing fan speed. Clean the laptop fan and air vents. Sometimes the problem isn't Windows at all, it's dust. Over time, dust builds up inside the cooling fan and air vents, restricting airflow. When airflow is logged, the fan has to spin faster to keep the system cool. Turn off your laptop, unplug it, and if you're comfortable doing so, remove the bottom panel. Carefully clean the fan blades and cooling fins using compressed air or a soft brush. Don't forget to clean the air vents on the sides or bottom of the laptop with a lint-free cloth. If you are not comfortable opening the laptop, consider getting it professionally cleaned. Disable overclocking. If you have overclocked your CPU or RAM, that extra performance comes at the cost of extra heat. Higher temperatures force the cooling fan to work much harder. Disable any overclocking settings you have enabled, whether through your BIOS or third-party software, and see if the fan returns to normal. For most users, running hardware at its default settings provides the best cooling balance between performance and cooling. Use cooling features or a cooling pad. Some laptop manufacturers include built-in cooling technologies. For example, HP laptops may include HP CoolSense, which automatically adjusts cooling based on usage. If your laptop offers a similar feature, make sure it's enabled. You can also use a laptop cooling pad. These accessories improve airflow underneath the laptop and help reduce operating temperature, especially during gaming or heavy workloads. So those are the most effective ways to fix a Windows laptop fan that keeps constantly running. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Windows Club for more Windows tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.